problem who go help you everywhere. Some they do like madman. I won't come see me help me. Hello, sir. Pardon, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How can I help you?
Sorry, I just get one small problem. I don't know why go fit help me, sir.
What is the problem?
I just get some issue
By
with
the way,
you.
why do you look like this?
No, just like the situation of this country. I don't know how I go take explain.
Small. Go to this place.
Can I just get 1,000 for your answer?
1,000 naira.
Just
Why?
1,000. I'm going to Ajah, but I don't have
Why
transport.
would
So,
some guy like you be looking for 1,000 naira for transport?
okay, sir.
That's a small money now. But in this life, people should know what to do with your life. You are a big guy, you're a grown-up guy. You need to work hard. There are jobs everywhere. The money is a small thing, you get it, but you need to, be up and doing. It's a small money. Look at my house, look at everywhere. Can you perceive my, the aroma? Everything is sharp. But try and be a good boy. I'll see you.
Well, can you just help me to 1,000
No.
naira?
Come now.
Wetin happen?
I hear wetin this rich man dey tell you. Say you need 1,000, you dey go Aja.
I dey go Ajah.
See, this life forget about this rich man. They don't want you to be successful, they don't want you to be good. You need 1,000. Come and take.
La caca.
Take.
For me?
Yes, I give you.
No.
No, I give you. Take.
No be dey for ground here dey do like
Yeah,
man.
yes, now. Take. Then say don't judge a book by cover. Take. It's for you.
For me?
Yeah, it's for you. It's for you.
Bros, thank you. No vex, sir. Thank you.
No. I not be God. It's only God you can let that for. Thank you.
For me?
Go now for you now. For you.
Hey. Wait oh. Who I never even believe? Wetin I dey say? How much? 20,000 naira. Gosh, this life, who will never even believe in I go fit help you? See what I see for ground wey be like say na mad persons I never. Thank you, Lord. Don't judge a book by cover.
Better Awilo. Better